Hi, today on Caloti, I'll show you how to personalize your profile so future recommendations fit you.
Right after booking, Caloti invites you to personalize your profile. Accept the prompt to get started. Start with your location and search radius. This helps Caloti surface the salons and stylists nearest you. Next, add the services you care about and your hair care preferences, like hair type and stylist choice. Finish up and you'll return to your confirmed booking, still in place, now with Discovery tuned to you.
Your booking's safe and Discovery's now tailored to you. That's Caloti looking out for you.